I'm Dan Furnback with Sandy Hook Yachts, standing on a 2025 LX6 built by Regal Boats. As you can see, on this boat, first thing we have is a Yamaha 300 V6 4.2 liter. Pushes this boat upwards of 50 miles an hour, which is very impressive. Large platform for boarding from either side. And one of the nicest features about this boat, and I had this boat last year, and I have a family of 5, so I got 3 little kids. Being able to have the versatility is fantastic. This whole aft seat moves back and moves forward to either give us more room on the swim platform or more room in the cockpit, which is great. Now that we're on the boat, we can really check out the cockpit area and all the different usages and way that we can use it for space. When we're looking at the aft, as I just mentioned, the versatility of it, you're going to be able to have seating facing forward, which is great with great legroom, or facing aft. And again, we get to articulate it and move it back and forth, which is great. To stay out of the sun, we offer a great option, which is the hardtop. And this is a power tower, so a push of a button, this thing actually folds down if in case you need to get under bridges or have a little bit more shade. Opposing seats on either side, and again, we're able to flip-flop back and forth with ease. Moving to the helm, we got a lot of great features, starting with the bow thruster, which is one of the only boats in its entire class that has the option of having a bow thruster. And everyone knows, especially in our coastal areas, we have tide, we have wind, we have a lot of things and elements working against us. This will give you confidence to enter different areas, dock and dines and things of that nature, to go in and not be in trouble. You have twin Garmin screens, cell phone charger, and digital controls. Thanks for checking out the video and the walkthrough on our Regal LX6. You need to come and check out this boat in person. It's very, very impressive, and we're here to help you. This is Dan with Sandy Hook Yachts. You can reach us at sales@sandyhookyachts.com. We look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care.